Hello everyone, welcome to the very first lecture in the brand new series Building Large Language Model from the Ground Up. My name is Akbar Arif, and in this series I will take you on a complete journey of understanding and building your own large language model or small language model completely from the ground up. So let me tell you much more about me. My name is Akbar Arif, and I'm deeply passionate about AI, machine learning, computer vision. These days, I'm more into building LLMs, and my mission is simple: to make AI truly understandable and accessible to everyone who is curious enough to learn it properly. Over the past few years, I've seen AI transform nearly in every industry, from healthcare to robotics, from text generation to image generation. And at the center of this revolution, there is large language model, for example, ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, Gemini. But here is something that I've noticed: many people jump straightforwardly into using LLMs without ever learning how they work. They copy some code from GitHub, run on a collab notebook, and they think that they understand. But deep down, they don't. And that exactly what this series will change. You know, my goal is not just to teach you what to do, but why things work the way they do. By the end of the series, you won't just know how to use LLM, but you will build your own LLM step by step from scratch. You will understand the mathematics, the architecture, transformer block, feed forward networks, and the training process, the real nuts and bolts that makes modern AI possible. So why did I build this series? Why this series matter? Think about it. If you truly know how to build an LLM from the ground up, you will never be confused by magic in AI again. You will gain the kind of confidence that a very few people have, because you will understand the entire system, not just the user inference. Just think of you will building something so cool. It's like something very cool if you're building LLM from your own LLM from scratch. And the best part over here is this entire course will be free, well structured, project based, well detailed notes that you can download and follow along with. So let's just look back where it all started. Let's rewind a bit. Back in 1960s, to be more precise, 1966, the first chatbot called Eliza was built. It could mimic like a therapist, but in reality, it's just repeating keywords from your sentences. For example, if I say I'm feeling sad today, it would reply, "Why are you feeling sad today?" Giving an illusion of intelligence. Now, fast forward to today, ChatGPT can explain physics, write poem, debug your code, or help you prepare for your job interviews. That's the evolution of LLMs. So, right now I will show you the example. I will ask some questions to Eliza, and I will ask the same questions to ChatGPT. Then we will compare the answers given by Eliza and the ChatGPT, and that thing will show you how far we have come from 1966 to 2025. So let's just ask Eliza some question. First of all, hello. How do you do? Please state your problem. Okay. Uh, who won the FIFA World Cup in 2022? I'm not sure I understand you fully. Who won World Cup? Please go on. So right now, our conversation is not going anywhere. So it is creating the uh, illusion of intelligence over here. But we will be asking same questions to the chat GPT. So I will ask first, hello, okay. Hello, how can I help you today? Also, for clarity, I'm ChatGPT 5. So we are using ChatGPT in the backend. ChatGPT is using GPT-5 as its LLM backend. So we will ask the same question. Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2022? Okay. So the winner of 2022 FIFA World Cup was okay. That's something. Yeah, it's Argentina national football team. So yeah, we are getting the exact result that we wanted. So here, Eliza was stuck in illusion of intelligence, but here the ChatGPT is actually showing us the intelligence that he can actually give us the answer. So from these two examples, you can see how far we have come, and I will show you some AI model as well that was created in between 1950s to 2026. These all models are not like LLMs, but these are all AI models. They may include like these kind of model as well, like cancer drug mechanism prediction. So as you can see, the first model was built in 1950s. That was named as Thesis, and there will be many other model as well in this chart. Only the famous one, of course, because there are too much models in the world right now. So we will be not going through every model, but we will be checking the models which came after 2017, as 2017 was the groundbreaking year for data science and in the field of AI/ML, because the two research paper was published uh, on 2017. The name was Attention is All You Need, and the second one was Transfer Learning. Because of these two groundbreaking papers, the AI is right now the AI we know. So it's 2017 I will be focusing on. Yeah, here it is. So we have GPT-1 over here, we have GPT-2 over here, we have GPT-4 over here, we have Gemini 1.0 Ultra, GPT-5 over here. So yeah, you can see many models over here, and there's a table as well that will show you all the AI models, notable AI models over here. Frontier, okay, we will view this. Okay, so like it includes all the AI models over here. So yep, I will show you this link. You can check out all the models that were built in between 1950s to 2026. Only the famous one, of course. And you know, and there is one thing more. Like there are some open source and the closed source model as well. Right now, we are witnessing something even more exciting: the rise of open source LLMs. In 2022, most powerful model like GPT-4 was closed source, so nobody knows what was happening inside. But in 2024, Meta Llama 3.1 changed everything. It performed all the same level of as like it performs the same level of ChatGPT 4, but was completely open source and available to everyone. That means for a learner like us, the entire architecture, the mathematics, the data pipeline, everything is now accessible. You don't need a billions of dollar money to just pre-train your weights and biases. You will be getting all the weights and biases on their site as well. So yes, of course, in this series we will be building the open source model, because we only have the architecture for the open source model, and hopefully right now we will be building GPT-2, GPT-3, DeepSeek, V3, R1, maybe the reasoning model, and there is another thing like this LLMs are in the field of generative AI, right? So generative AI goes beyond the text as well, but LLMs are just one piece of the puzzle over here. Generative AI goes beyond text. It includes video, audio, 3D modeling, and even interactive simulations. Just imagine video that looks real but are generated by entirely AI. Voice, music, and the scenes that you have that never existed, all created through deep learning. That's a creative frontier we are stepping it into. So yeah, like I will show you some examples of generative AI that goes beyond the text generation. Here we have some videos that was just generated by a simple prompt. These videos are all AI generated. I will show them as an example over here, the Gemini one. That's VO model we have. That's VO 3.1 right now. So as you can see here, this all video is generated by an simple prompt, and there is VO. Another example we have. We will be shifting over here. See that how much detailing this video actually have. It is all generated by an AI, and that's absolutely awesome.